Sieg howdy. How are y'all doing? We got the Golden Buckle beer here. And it's 4.5 alcohol. La Junta, Colorado, brewed and canned. American lager. And always be careful. You gotta check your grains. And it's good time. Now that's not bad. That's a good one. You know, it's funny sometimes. You know, riding bulls, it's something something you gotta try once in your life. You know, and I'm not going to say it's courage in a can. I mean, a lot of people don't need courage in a can. You don't need courage in a can, and it's not about that. It's just take risks, be bold, love one another if you can. Take it easy.